Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, OpenHuman, your own personal AI superintelligence. This Rust-based project is exploding in popularity because it promises a powerful and private AI that runs entirely on your local machine, giving you full control over your data. How long does it take for a new AI assistant to actually become useful? Are we talking days? Or even weeks? Well, a new project on GitHub suggests the answer could be just a few minutes. That's a pretty compelling claim. It completely turns the typical AI learning curve on its head, and it's already attracting thousands of developers, seemingly overnight. This project is called OpenHuman, and it comes from the organization tinyhumansai. It's an open-source personal AI assistant that aims to be private, simple, and powerful. It's written in Rust, and its growth has been nothing short of explosive. The project has already racked up over 17,000 stars, with nearly 4,000 of those added in just a single day. That kind of rapid traction usually means one thing: it's solving a problem that a lot of people care about. So, what is that problem? It's the cold start issue that plagues almost every AI agent out there. You know the drill. You activate a new assistant, and it's a blank slate. It doesn't know anything about your projects, your contacts, or your work history. This forces developers and knowledge workers to spend weeks manually feeding it information or just waiting for it to learn passively. OpenHuman tackles this problem head-on. Its unique approach is to proactively absorb your digital life right from the start. The result is an AI that has deep, personalized context from the very first moment it's running. Let's look at how it works under the hood. OpenHuman's architecture is a hybrid model. It uses a high-performance Rust backend for all the heavy lifting, wrapped in a modern user interface built with the Towery framework. Now, two technical features are really at the heart of its design. The first is something called the memory tree. This system automatically pulls data every 20 minutes from over 100 connected services. Think Gmail and Notion. It then converts all that information into a standard markdown format and organizes it into a local knowledge base right on your machine. You can think of it as a personal librarian that's constantly reading and summarizing your entire digital life. The second key piece of tech is Token Juice. This is a smart compression layer. Before any information gets sent to a large language model, or LLM, Token Juice intelligently shrinks it down. It might do this by shortening links or converting verbose code. The payoff here is huge. This can reduce costs and latency by up to 80%, making the AI both faster and more affordable. So what does this look like in the real world? A knowledge worker could ask their AI assistant to summarize a project's status. The assistant could then instantly pull context from Jira, Slack, and recent emails to give a truly complete answer. Or imagine a developer connecting their GitHub account. The agent could then offer code suggestions that are aware of the entire repository's history. It's clear the project was designed with a UI-first philosophy. It features a simple installation and even a desktop mascot, which helps lower the barrier to entry. This isn't just for coders. It's for anyone who wants to build a second brain that genuinely understands their digital world. Of course, an approach this ambitious isn't without significant challenges. For one, maintaining integrations with over 100 external APIs is a massive undertaking. Any small change on their end could break functionality. Then there's the security aspect. The application's deep access to sensitive personal and work data creates a huge responsibility. A single vulnerability could be catastrophic. On top of that, as the local memory tree grows over the years, the system might face performance bottlenecks, which would challenge its promise of speed. The project's long-term success will really depend on how well it navigates these complex issues. In the end, OpenHuman's value is that it isn't just another AI wrapper. It's a thoughtfully designed system aimed squarely at solving the context problem. By creating a persistent, auto-updating memory that lives on your own device, it offers a pragmatic vision for what a truly personal AI can be. And most importantly, it's an AI that's genuinely useful from day one.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.